Hey insiders! I know how scary it can be to film outside in public with your plushies, especially when there are people around that can judge you, laugh at you, or even harass you. Trust me, I've been there. In fact, I used to be so afraid of filming in public that I used to only film inside my room or inside secluded places where nobody could see me. However, that limited my creativity and potential as a PlushTuber. So that's why I decided to face my fears and start filming in public more often. And guess what? It was not nearly as bad as I thought it would be. I got to go to new places, meet new people, and create diverse content for my viewers. But how did I do it? How did I overcome my fears of filming in public? Well, that's what I'm going to be showing you today. So I'll grab a notebook and a pen, and let's dive right in. Okay, so you can film plush videos anywhere. In the garden, inside your house, in a forest. Heck, even inside of famous cities like Rome, which is exactly what I did over here. Okay, the possibilities are literally endless. And filming outside makes for great video opportunities. But while filming in public could make for a great story, there are a few things you should know about first. So before you get off and start filming, make sure you have a clear plan and purpose for the video first. Trust me, I've seen a lot of people, including myself, who just go out there with the camera and film, well, nothing. Which is definitely not what you want if you just paid £1,000 for like an expensive holiday trip. So before you start filming a plush video, you need to remember the 3 golden W's. You need to know what you want to film, how you want to film, and why you want to film. So once you've answered those 3 W's, it'll make filming and planning and everything else so much easier. And it'll also help you not get distracted from filming. Distracting. So before filming, make sure to answer where, how, and why you want to film in that specific location. Next of all, you're going to want to choose a suitable location to film your plush video. So choose a time and location that matches your theme, mood, and idea of your plush video. For example, if you're filming an adventure video, you can try filming in the woods. Of course, choose whatever location fits your story the best. Also guys, another important tip. Now I know this may sound stupid, but if you're just filming a casual plush video, please don't go spending thousands of dollars on like just transport fees and stuff. Because trust me, buying a new plushie for your channel is way more valuable than staying at some fancy hotel. Unless of course you're Mr. Beast, which I'm guessing most of you aren't. But don't worry, because here on the PlushTubing Insider, we'll show you how to grow your channel from scratch and start earning money from making plush videos. So subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any PlushTube educational content. Okay then guys, here's some major PlushTube advice. When filming plush videos in public, try to stay away from massive crowds. Because normally, crowds are very loud, which if you're not a professional editor, can mess up your audio quite badly, so I'd stay away from those if I were you. Also, try to get a few people in there, otherwise it'll just look like you're filming a ghost video. Also, remember to bring your equipment along, so plushies, a camera, and maybe even a stand if you can manage it. Anyways, once you got all that, you should be pretty much good to go. Now that brings us to our last tip. And the most important one in my opinion, have fun. Seriously, filming plush videos is supposed to be a really fun and happy experience. Just let it all out and go wow with your plushies in public and act like nobody cares. And you know what? If someone does give you the funny looks, just tell them about your channel and then you'll be alright. You know, when I filmed in Rome and Tenerife, I had an entire crowd of kids following me the entire time. And did I care? Did it stop me from producing the best quality plush videos I can? No, it did not. So PlushTubers, make sure to have fun no matter what. Because at the end of the day, that's really what PlushTubing is all about. So embrace the challenge and process and the fun of making plush videos. And most importantly, embrace yourself, your plushies, and your viewers. Because they are awesome. And so are you. So insiders, I want you to go out there, right now, with your camera, no matter the weather, and film the plush video you've been waiting to film for so many years. Okay insiders, to test what you learned today, I have a little homework task for you. Basically, just write down one thing that you're going to do to face your fears of filming in public. And try to take a step towards it this week. Anyway guys, click on this video over here to see if you're making these plushie mistakes.